I bet you can't guess what I'll be making. Okay, so we'll start with a nice fresh cauliflower. Remove the leaves and cut it into nice bite-sized pieces. Give it a good rinse and steam until just tender. Once the cauliflower is steamed and fork tender, I'll spread it over a clean tea towel to absorb as much moisture as possible. This step is important because excess moisture creates a soggy batter. Once the cauliflower is nice and dry, I give it a very light dusting of cornflour. Now this helps the batter to cling to the cauliflower and it gives that extra crisp coating. For the batter, I've kept it really simple. Plain flour, a little salt and very cold mineral water. And there's my little trick. An ice cube goes straight in. I popped the batter into the fridge while I heated the oil. Once the oil was hot, I removed the ice cube, dipped each piece of cauliflower into the cold batter and made sure it was well coated. And here we go, into the hot oil they went and I fried them until they were just lightly golden and beautifully crisp all over. And straight onto absorbent paper to drain off any excess oil. And then comes the part you probably didn't expect. I tossed each cauliflower in sugar while they were still warm, coating them all over. Crispy on the outside, soft and tender inside, with that sweet little coating, they are simply irresistible. And there you have it, the perfect fried cauliflower. So good. Make them.